In this video, I'll show you how to create a rules channel for your Discord server. Follow each step carefully so everything works the first time. 1. Open Discord. Launch Discord. You can use either the desktop app or a web browser. Click on the server where you want to add the rules channel. 2. Enable community features. Click the drop-down arrow next to the server name and choose Server Settings. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Enable Community. Click Get Started. Tick both checkboxes to agree to the terms, then click Next. 3. Create rules and community updates channels. When prompted to create a rules channel, either choose an existing channel from the drop-down, or let Discord automatically create one for you. Do the same for the community updates channel. Click Next. Finish community setup. Review the information provided. Scroll to the bottom, agree to the terms, and click Finish Setup. 5. Add server rules. In the left menu, scroll up and select Access. At the bottom, turn on Server Rules. Scroll down and type your rules in the box, for example. 1. No swearing. 2. Be respectful. Add as many rules as you need. Click Save Changes. 6. Choose how members join. You now decide how people can join your server. Invite only, members join with a direct invite link. Apply to join, new members must read and accept the rules before entering. Discoverable, if your server meets the requirements, you can make it public so anyone can find it. Pick the option that fits your community. For example, I'll keep mine invite only. 7. Confirm the rules channel. Exit the settings. You'll now see a rules channel in the left sidebar, displaying every rule you entered. That's it. You've successfully created a rules channel on Discord. If this guide helped you, leave a like or comment below.